Did you know that the most expensive home in the world is worth a mind-boggling $2.9 billion? Today, we are taking a peek into the realm of the incredibly wealthy as we count down the 7 most expensive homes in the world. From breathtaking penthouses to sprawling palaces, these opportunities redefine opulence and grandeur. Join us as we explore the jaw-dropping opulence and grandeur of the 7 most extravagant homes on the planet in this luxury-laden trivia adventure. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Kicking off our list, at number 7 is the Odeon Tower Penthouse, situated in the heart of Monaco. This stunning penthouse is perched atop the iconic Odeon Tower and offers panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea and the Principality skyline. Spanning over 35,000 square feet, it boasts an impressive infinity pool, multiple terraces, and a private elevator for exclusive access. The interior is adorned with lavish materials, including rare marble, onyx, and gold accents, meticulously curated to enhance the sense of luxury and sophistication. Designed by renowned architect Alexander Giraldi, every aspect of this penthouse reflects a fusion of modern design and opulent luxury, providing an unparalleled living experience for its billionaire residents. Additionally, its prime location in Monaco, known for its tax benefits and glamorous lifestyle, adds to its allure. The price tag for this exceptional residence? A whopping $330 million. Moving on to number 6, we venture to the French Riviera to visit Le Palais, also known as the Bubble Palace. This extraordinary property was the brainchild of Hungarian architect Antilia, known for his unconventional approach to design. Le Palais stands as a true architectural masterpiece, resembling a cluster of bubbles, blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. Owned by a renowned fashion designer, this one-of-a-kind home features 10 luxurious suites, interconnected by vibrant living spaces and terraced gardens that seem to melt into the Mediterranean backdrop. With a private amphitheater carved into the rocky hillside, multiple swimming pools, and an abundance of lush greenery. This masterpiece is valued at around $390 million. The design inspiration behind this architectural wonder is to create a living space in harmony with nature, providing residents with an unparalleled sense of tranquility and serenity, making it an oasis of luxury in the French Riviera. Number 5 on our list takes us to the sunny shores of Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France, where we find Villa des Citrus. This opulent mansion stands as a testament to timeless Mediterranean charm and elegance, nestled amidst lush gardens and fragrant citrus groves. Now, the villa's architecture and design exude sophistication and grace, with classical elements and modern touches creating an air of refined luxury. Boasting a private helipad, Olympic-sized swimming pool, and an elegant ballroom for hosting grand soirees, Villa des Citrus becomes a playground for the ultra-rich. The villa's history is equally impressive, having once been the residence of Belgium's King Leopolda II during the Belle Epoque era. The estate has undergone extensive renovations and enhancements to preserve its historical significance while catering to contemporary sensibilities. Its value? A staggering $450 million, making it one of the most coveted properties in the French Riviera. As we reach number 4, we jet off to the prestigious neighborhood of Bel Air in Los Angeles, where we find the Bel Air Spec Manor. This extravagant mansion stands as a testament to modern luxury and indulgence, boasting everything one could dream of in a home. with over 100,000 square feet of living space spread across 4 levels. It is no surprise that this estate is priced at a mind-boggling $500 million. Designed to cater to every desire, this opulent mansion features a 40-seat movie theater, a beauty salon, a state-of-the-art bowling alley, and a jaw-dropping candy room filled with sweet delights from around the world. The architecture and interior design of Palais Spec Manor are a stunning collaboration of renowned architects and designers, resulting in a home that offers the epitome of luxury living. Its extravagant features and unparalleled opulence make it a favorite among A-list celebrities and billionaires alike, cementing its position as one of the most expensive homes in the world. At number 3, we take a trip to the French Riviera once again to visit Villa Leopolda, located in the picturesque town of Villefranche-sur-Mer. This historic villa has hosted royalty, celebrities, and some of the world's most influential figures throughout its storied past. Originally built for King Leopold II of Belgium, it features 19 sumptuous bedrooms, numerous guest houses, and a vast estate with lush gardens and terraces overlooking the azure waters of the Mediterranean. The interiors of Villa Leopolda are an exquisite blend of classical opulence and contemporary luxury, with each room exuding a sense of grandeur and sophistication. Its value is estimated at approximately $750 million, making it one of the most expensive and desirable properties in the world. The allure of Villa Leopolda lies not only in its luxurious amenities, but also in its historical significance, making it a living testament to the cultural heritage of the French Riviera. Making our way to the second spot on our list, we find ourselves in Mumbai, India, where the towering Antilia stands tall. Owned by one of India's wealthiest businessmen, Mukesh Ambani, this extravagant residence redefines luxury living on an unprecedented scale. With 27 floors and numerous amenities like a private movie theater, a health club, multiple swimming pools, and a multi-story garage filled with luxury cars, Antilia is a true marvel of modern architecture. Valued at an astounding $1 billion, Antilia is the epitome of extravagant living, showcasing the vast wealth of its owner and reflecting the opulence of contemporary India. The architectural design of Antilia incorporates various traditional elements from Indian palaces, making it a striking symbol of modernity blended with cultural heritage. The sheer scale and luxury offered by this residence make it an iconic symbol of ultra-wealthy living in the heart of Mumbai. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of opulence, which is Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. With its rich history dating back centuries, this iconic palace stands as a symbol of royal grandeur and national pride, boasting an astounding 775 rooms, including 78 bathrooms and 92 offices. Buckingham Palace is a true masterpiece of architecture and design. While an exact valuation is challenging due to its historical significance and symbolic importance, experts estimate its worth to be around $2.9 billion. Beyond its jaw-dropping architecture and opulent interiors, Buckingham Palace serves as a living testament to British heritage and tradition, making it one of the most iconic and valuable homes in the world. As a focal point for state occasions and royal events, this palace holds an irreplaceable place in history and continues to capture the imagination of people worldwide. And there you have it, the 7 most expensive homes in the world. From Monaco to India, Each of these properties offers a glimpse into the extravagant lifestyle of the world's wealthiest individuals. Whether it's the breathtaking views, the luxurious amenities, or the sheer historical significance, these homes redefine the idea of living in ultimate luxury. If you liked our content and would like to see more of these amazing luxuries, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified of our next epic video.